Okay, we're on here putting some screws into the motherboard, into the standoffs. Installing this motherboard into a tower. Brand new motherboard about last year. And I'm just getting to it. Actually, I think I bought it in 2019. So here we go with a screw. Oh, by the way, they're black. So you can't see, they match the board. They match the motherboard. You can't see them in low lighting. They should have made them glow in the dark, possibly. And so this is a Rog Strix. Rog Strix. Sorry, door. Rog Strix gaming tower. Motherboard, gaming tower, and motherboard. It's a Rog Strix Z390 gaming motherboard. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got three It has three PCI ports. It's got, this motherboard actually has three PCIe oh, it's got the miniature ports on there. Yeah, the tiny ports. It's got 4 slots for RAM. That's the bag of standoffs and screws. They're all the screws that came with the motherboard are entirely black. So, and the motherboard is black, as you could tell, or dark, really dark. So you can't see if you're trying to open it in low lighting. Okay, so the motherboard comes with a surface-mounted LGA 1151 CPU slot, which you can install a Intel Core 9th or 8th Gen Intel Core processor, a Pentium Gold processor, and Celeron processors. Anyway, so here we go, installing the last screw. And as soon as I get the camera positioned right, using a phone, and I didn't have my handy dandy phone stand for videoing. I need another phone stand that I can position better, because the one I've got is just a tripod, and I can't swivel it around so easily. It's not the nicest. And here goes nothing. Screwing it in, screwing it in. Well, as soon as we get the screwdriver on there, wait. And they're all Phillips head screws. So you put those little brass standoffs in first, positioned around the side of the case, right, where the motherboard's gonna sit, and then the motherboard sits on top of those standoffs. Okay, this is the back of the case. It's got a built-in HDMI port. I don't know what that other port is. It's got a built-in. It's got the old mouse and keyboard port. Okay, so let's see. Reposition the camera a bit. Hold on. Yeah, so it's got the old mouse and keyboard port, the pen port, right? It's got 2 USB ports on the top. HDMI. It's got 4 USB ports at the bottom, and an Ethernet port right next to those. This is on the back of the case, and then it's got sound out ports, line in, line out. So that's useful. It's got a nice array of ports, and then on the front of the case, built into the case, it's got 2 USB ports on the front. So this is the Rog Strix Z390-H gaming tower motherboard. Gaming motherboard.